Right now, I want $1 million US. Even some advice of the real artist progress I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist I represent.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's gamer? Here with another reaction. Today, guys, today with Qrulen again. Yes, Qrulen, otherwise known, otherwise called, well, used to be called The Eruption. Yes, with Lyson Road, Bomba Class. Them man ya sang all his conscious and all his have been in and all his have a story behind it same way. So big up yourself, G, for the good music you put out. We appreciate it. Before I jump in, I could big up a few people. Big up Feather Boss, big up yourself, Feather Boss. Brown Boss, big up yourself. And Tigo, aka James Bond, on 1007. Donovan! Yes, Dada. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. You know what badness come down, man. Big up yourself. Make let's go!
Yeah, and couldn't get to your heart.
I like this up there, right there. Love that.
Disaster. Couldn't get along. Yeah, and couldn't get to your heart.
Disaster.
Couldn't get along.
Quality video, quality production, quality music. That's you, bro. Ready?
Nisaki, keep your sanity. Don't sell out for no vanity.
Message.
First when it free.
Message.
Nisaki, keep your sanity. Don't sell out for no vanity.
Message to the youth, them humbleness are key, brother. Keep your vanity, don't sell out. No, keep your sanity, don't sell out for no vanity. Humbleness are key, that is the fucking message, bro.
Keep your sanity.
Keep it.
Don't sell out for no vanity.
Youths and youths, listen up.
2025. Give thanks every day, me still alive. Humbleness, remember me never asked for. Get a youth when they rise where they hype for.
Pull up!
And couldn't get to your
Pull up! Let's go!
Me know that.
Let's go!
Yo, this
couldn't
production
get
team, look for
along.
yourself. Yeah, man. Feather Boss again, Brown Boss, Tigo, aka James Bond, big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. Qrulen, let's go, ready?
Nisaki, keep your sanity.
Keep your sanity.
Don't sell out for no vanity. First when it free.
Listen to the message.
Nisaki, keep your sanity. Don't sell out for no vanity.
All when I'm free. Not do that, all when I'm free.
2025. Give thanks every day, me still alive.
Yeah.
Humbleness, remember me never asked for. Get a youth when they rise where they hype for.
Yeah, man. When you're humble, remember, so when you're poor, you know, you're humble, you know. So when you get money, what you hype for? What you hype for? What you hype for your own black brother them for? Humbleness are key. Keep your sanity. Don't sell out for no vanity, me G. Yo, put out that blood class on them. Let's go.
Yeah, and couldn't get to your.
Let's go. Fucking hell.
Disaster.
Couldn't get along.
Yeah.
Nisaki, keep your sanity. Don't sell out for no vanity. First when it free.
When it's free?
Nisaki, keep your sanity. Don't sell out for no vanity.
Ready?
2025. Give thanks every day, me still alive. Humbleness, remember me never asked for. Get a youth when they rise where they hype for. Rolling trees, looking at days like these. Not for friends I got, me say R.I.P. Muffy, and get smarter like Chinese. Think top on me like Siamese.
Me like Siamese twin. Them band together, think talk your blood clot. What a comparison.
Yeah, and couldn't get to your.
Comparison. Think talk me like.
Disaster.
Couldn't get along.
Nah, left feet. Nah, left feet. Why go?
Nisaki,
Yeah.
keep your sanity.
Yeah.
Don't sell out for no vanity. First when it free. Nisaki, keep your sanity. Don't sell out for no vanity.
Ready?
2025. Give thanks every day, me still alive. Reminisce, remember me never asked for. Better youth when I rise where they hype for. Rolling trees, looking at days like these. Tougher friends are gone, me say R.I.P. Muffy and get smarter like Chinese. Think top on me like Siamese. Another day, forgive thanks for. Sending up my prayer and your answer. Yeah, another year me just conquer. So me stay up firm like tanker. Yo, tanker. Every week, first me know what far me I come from. Yeah, every week, first me know far me I come from. Yeah, just only one life, so me hustle hard and get the honey from the hive. Until you don't lay it back. That
Only one life, so me hustle hard and get the honey from the hive. Yo, but I tell you, him get up, go out there, go look it, go cook it. At 24 hours, him getting a day, so him a go out there, him make use of him 24. What you do with your one?
every week, let's me know for me I come from. Just only one life, so me hustle hard and get the honey from the hive. Until you don't lay it back, then don't want your pride. I feel go for what you want. Cause
Don't get to you, don't lay it back. Don't lay it back, don't watch it. Yo, hide the pride sometimes. Sometimes you have to hide the pride. Certain job where you see someone out there do hide them pride. You know why? Them a do what them have to do until them get what them really want to get. You understand? Yes. Sometimes you also have to do the wrong to get the right result. You know? Yes, sometimes you have to do the wrong thing to get the right result. But we're not going to do any wrong thing like that, no. No, not put the tip on the phone. Nah, keep sanity. Yeah, we're not saying out for no vanity. What's when it's free?
time I come when you look back and see it's how far you come from. Last time I come when you look back and see it's
nothing sweeter than when you reach at a certain milestone, you reach all your goal, and you say, yo, far me forward from, you know. Yo, it nice, bro. It nice. You never wait for no hands out. The boy never give you nothing for you, have nothing for talk over you. You understand? Yeah, dog, when you're working, brother. Put in the muscle dog to the hustle dog. Come on, man.
come from. Last time I come when you look back and see it's the dark like dungeon. Pop another buckle. Show ramp on the ground and watch your vehicle a chuckle. Every youth want free while lock up and in a shackle. Other outside every day you face the buckle. Cause life that you feel live, thanks I forgive. Give thanks every day, me not in a fridge. Your son not for safe, for below on the hill. Hey, Qrulen just want work, so me still a dig. Another day, forgive thanks for sending up my prayer and your answer. Another year me just conquer, so me stay up firm like tanker. Yo, tanker. Man, first me know what come from. Every week, first me know for me I come from. If you have life, appreciate. You can walk, appreciate. Food on your table, appreciate.
Appreciate the liquor you have. Cause remember, say there's always somebody out there who have it worse than you. Just appreciate. Don't consider your glass half empty. Just consider it half full. Be appreciative for life, man. Come on, man.
You can walk, appreciate. Food on your table, appreciate. Appreciate. If you can work, appreciate.
Yeah, man.
Remember God first, appreciate. All if you no got church, appreciate. Appreciate.
Yeah.
Appreciate. Another year, forgive thanks for sending up my prayer and your answer. Yeah. Another year, me just conquer. So me stay up firm like tanker. Yo, tanker. Every week, first me know what far me I come from. Yeah. Every week, first me know far me I come from. Yeah. Just only one life, so me hustle hard and get the honey from the hive. Honey from the hive.
Qrulen, big up yourself, J.
Each and every one. Elevate your man and up yourself. Talk truth.
Yeah, man. Talk truth, man. 2025, man. Lesson Road. Production team, big up yourself. Production team, big up yourself. Dream life image. Big up yourself. Yes, man. Yes. Yo. What can I say about Qrulen, aka The Eruption, bro? Anytime the man talk, bro, you have to listen, cause positivity, man, a meds, bro. A positivity, the man a put in the youth, them head, dog. The man not telling a fuck, dog. Anything when you hear the G say, I just saw a true, bro. A facts. You see me? Yeah, a law. You see me? So the man say, yo, hustle, bro. Work for what you want. don't accept nothing and don't bow out for nothing, bro. From no pussy. Don't sell your sanity for vanity. What's when it's free? Not do it, dog. Not do it. Qrulen, big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, bro. Like, I don't know, dog. Like, yo, the man vibe just different, bro. The man vibe, the man aura, the man everything just different. Him energy just different, bro. Like, positively different. Big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. Once more, big up Feather Boss. Big up Brown Boss. Big up yourself. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, aka James Man. Big up yourself. And last but not least, Donovan. Big up yourself, sir. Yes, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. This one will be pinned in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Go over there, go tell them, say, yo, Jamaica game and make a reach over here, so you know. So big up yourself. Again, big up yourself. Alright, I'll catch you in the next one. Oh!
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a record.